BS7671 Amendment 4 brings a significant update to Section 710, Medical Locations. Why is this important? Electrical safety in healthcare environments is critical. Patients often rely on life support and monitoring equipment that must operate without interruption. The revised section introduces clearer requirements for earthing, bonding and supply continuity to reduce risks and ensure resilience in medical facilities. These changes help protect both patients and staff by aligning installations with the latest safety standards for modern healthcare technology. Want to explore the full details? Pre-order your copy today at theiet.org/gettheregs before the release on April 15th, 2026.